Brian Duggan, BJ Constructions. We're back at the job at Rave Avenue in Runaway Bay. I'll just show you the work. Thanks a lot, Jebro. Alright, last time you saw this, I think we just had the roof tiles put on it. Well, they've had it, roof tiles have gone on here. You can see, get back in a bit. So we've had the roof tiles on, we've had the renderers in, we've had the plaster in to do the ceilings, we've had the electrician back in here, and they've all done a fantastic job. You know, we've got Kurt, the plasterer, did a really good job on the ceilings, and we've got Southern Cross renderers that have come in here and done a really good job with the fences and the cement render around the columns, as you can see. We've had an inspection by the engineer. He's passed it and given us a Form 16 to go on with the structural engineering side of things. We've had termite protection done. We've had a termite protection Form 16 for the job. It's all there now. So what we're virtually doing at the moment is I'm preparing it so we can put the driveway down. Now, the driveway we're putting in is an exposed aggregate driveway, and it's got to go down so it's protected. So rather than do all this work with the driveway already poured, I decided that the best way to do it is to put the driveway in last, so it'll get all this messy work out of the way, and when the driveway is poured, it's not going to have all the rubbish spilled on it, and paint and plaster, render, things like that. It's going to be really like new. It's a little bit harder for the boys to work, but it's a lot better finish in the end. So we'll just go into it and have a look at this. There's the there for the new gate, and we've got the new roller door in order, filter door I should say. And this is Mr. Painter. So hello, Clay. And in here doing the ceilings. There's the ceilings that come up right. You can see where the plaster work's all been on them, and we've square set up to the sides there, so it's all come out good. You see the difference between the cement render and the blue board. There's a bit of a gap there. That's in case you get cracking or something like that. So it's called a construction joint. You'll also, maybe you can pick out that there's the outside piece of blue boards come down a little bit lower. Well, that's called a drip edge. Now, when it rains, the water runs down the bottom of that drip edge, and it goes along and just drops on the ground rather than blow back into the underneath and wreck everything in the carport. So it's all come up pretty good. Got all you see in here. This is the strip footing we put in here. We did that first, if you remember. We put in there, and below this we've got the screw piers that go down for the sewer line, and up here we've got these black tracks that we've made up. The door's going to sit behind those, this black door, and we're going to bolt through those into the post behind them. So yeah, it's all looking pretty good. We'll just have a look at the side of this roof here. There you go. The boys have finished that off nice. You can see where they've been back. They've come back, put the tiles, all the tiles are all matched, blended it in really well. And just had the downpipes put on. You can see the downpipes, they're going to be connected tomorrow. The storm water going in there, storm water connections from the plumber tomorrow. So everything's all worked out quite well. And yeah, very happy. The clients are happy. And we'll just have a quick look at this over here. And there's this side of it here. You can see where the roof goes up there. We've got an extra downpipe here, comes down here, and we've got another one down this end here. So we'll come back and have a look at it just before we start pouring the driveway, or while we're pouring the driveway. Have a look at that. At the moment, this is about it. So it's Brian signing out, and see you next time.